Hey, it's Kyle with AEI Corporation. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble your Patio Comfort liquid propane heater. You will need two 10mm nut drivers, one adjustable wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a soapy water solution for leak testing. Your heater will come in two boxes, and the estimated assembly time is about 45 minutes. Once you've unboxed your heater, locate the small box containing the wheel kit. Notice the hardware is already included on each wheel. Place the tank cage on its side and securely fasten both wheels to the base assembly using your 10mm nut drivers. Once the wheels are securely installed, place the tank cage back upright. Next, slide the decorative cover over the tank cage. Slide the post over the socket assembly, aligning the holes. Open your hardware pack located in the hose and regulator bag. Remove 4 6mm screws and 4 flat washers. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, install all 4 screws securely. Slide the slip collar over the top of the post. Securely attach the gas supply hose to the heater head using your adjustable wrench as shown. These are flared connections, so don't use Teflon tape or pipe compound. Carefully lay your heater back on its side. Feed the gas supply hose down the post until you see it in the tank cage. Attach the regulator using your adjustable wrench as shown. These are also flared connections, so no Teflon tape or pipe compound should be used. Connect your regulator to your propane cylinder. Turn the gas supply on and spray soapy solution on all the gas connections. If you smell any gas or see any bubbles forming, turn the gas off immediately and recheck your connections. Disconnect your tank from the regulator and set aside. Insert your heater head to the top of the post and carefully return your heater to the upright position. Locate the 4 remaining 6mm screws, flat washers, and lock washers. Securely fasten the heater head to the post using your Phillips head screwdriver. Finally, locate the reflector. Using a ladder, align the 3 holes to the top of your heater as shown. Use the wing nuts and flat washers to securely fasten the reflector. Connect your regulator to your propane cylinder. Turn the gas supply on and you're ready to use your Patio Comfort heater.